Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Bigblue 3500 dive torch. So this is a small but very powerful dive light. This produces up to 3500 lumens of bright white light. It all sort of produces it and focuses it down into a tight 10-degree spotlight beam. It has a runtime between 1.5 hours at full power, 4 different power settings. At low power, it will run for up to 15 hours. Waterproof down to 100 meters, and it only weighs about 450 grams. This comes with lots of different mounting options. You can use it just as a traditional hand torch by holding it, but you have a mounting point at the bottom. You can fit a lantern grip and also a Goodman style handle. The torch itself is made out of anodized aluminium, so that's sort of corrosion resistant. You still got to wash it, but it's lightweight, it's very, very tough, and yeah, it won't rust like steel. So around the button, you've got a single button user interface, very quick and easy to get used to. Just around that, you'll notice a sort of opaque section. So that's the color-coded battery level indicator. So depending on the color that comes around that torch, or that button I should say, depends on how much battery life. Whilst I'm talking about the battery, inside you have a removable lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Comes with a cradle to recharge it, so very handy and sort of quick and easy to recharge it, even if you're on a dive boat. On the back, you've got a couple mounting points, so you can attach a lanyard so you don't lose it. And as I said, yeah, it weighs about 450 grams with the battery. So 3 LEDs are producing all of that 3500 lumens of bright white light. If I just show you the beam, 10 degrees is nice tight little spot beam. Every time you push that button, it's going to change the power, so you don't have to have it on full power, you can dial it down. And if I turn it back on, if you look just around that button, you can see that it's gone blue, so that means you've got lots of battery life. As soon as it sort of starts to turn red, you need to recharge that battery. So very tough, very bright and nice and compact. This is the Bigblue 3500 dive light. Thanks for watching and safe diving.